Are you looking for the best portable printers? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best portable printers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. HP OfficeJet 250 Mobile All-in-One Printer. The HP OfficeJet 250 All-in-One Printer is the only current AIO portable inkjet we know of, but that's not the only reason we've included it here. It impressed us enough when we reviewed it to earn an Editor's Choice Award for a portable printer, with its ability to scan and copy being only one reason why. Along with typical text quality for an inkjet, the OfficeJet 250 offers at least slightly above par graphics and photos. It was also faster on our tests than most print-only portables. And while it can't print two-sided documents automatically, a limitation shared by its single-function competition, it offers manual duplexing, which lets you print one side, then reinsert the pages in the 50-page ADF to print the other side. The Simplex, single-sided, scanner offers a separate 10-sheet ADF for scanning and copying. Connection choices include USB, Wi-Fi, and Wi-Fi Direct, which lets you print from iOS and Android phones and tablets as well as PCs. A portable AIO is of obvious interest to anyone who needs to both scan and print, including for copying, while on the go. But even within that group, it's not for everyone. If you usually need scanning only or printing only, you could be better off with a separate printer and scanner to let you carry just the one you need on a given trip. But if you usually need both scanning and printing, the OfficeJet 250 will be less cumbersome to set up. Even better, it may be lighter than the combined weight of 2 units. Number 2. Brother PocketJet PJ883. Portable thermal printers are a niche type. They are commonly used for applications that require printing in a vehicle, from receipts in a delivery truck to tickets in a police car. But their lightweight and small size also make them good choices for everything from printing a roofing proposal at a potential customer's kitchen table to using simply as a highly portable printer for anything you might need to print on the go. The PocketJet PJ883 comes from a long line of Brother portable thermal models that do this one thing well: give you clean monochrome output from anywhere. This unit delivers highly flexible connectivity via USB, Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi Direct, or Bluetooth, and the output quality is better than you would expect from the print technology. It's decidedly not for anyone who needs color output, but the PJ883 is great for traveling salespeople or contractors who need to generate documents, bills, or agreements on the spot. Brother also offers lesser lower-cost models for folks who don't need to pay the premium for the PJ883's plethora of connection types. Sometimes, just a USB will do. Number 3. Kodak Step Instant Mobile Photo Printer. Printers for wallet-size photos are among the most portable printers today, and this Kodak model serves as a prime example of why. One big advantage it has over printers for larger photos is that keeping the photo size to 2 by 3 inches means the chassis can be trimmed down. The Step Instant measures all of 1 by 3 by 5 inches, HWD, and weighs just under a pound. As with much of its competition, it's designed as a phone and tablet accessory, offering Bluetooth and NFC as the only connection options, printing strictly from iOS and Android phones and tablets. The printer uses zinc technology, which creates images by heating dye crystals embedded in the paper, without the ink cartridge or dye ribbon some other portables use, another slimming factor. Cost per print is reasonable, at around 50 cents, and the print speed is right on among zinc printers we've tested, at around a minute a snap. The print quality is also on par among zinc-based printers, which is to say that the prints make for nice stickers and casual snapshots to share, but output from dye sub and inkjet printers tends to look a tad sharper. Thanks to smartphones, almost nobody carries photos in wallets today, but there are plenty of other ways to use a wallet-size picture, from scrapbooking to sticking it on a locker door or notebook cover. Using zinc technology makes the sticking part easy, since you get an adhesive sticky back on the pictures, under a protective layer you can peel off or not. And, of course, if you want to keep a picture in your wallet, it will let you do that as well. Number 4. Canon Selphy QX20. For photos with a square aspect ratio printed at just a bit larger than wallet size, it's hard to beat the QX20. This printer has high-quality, long-lasting output, thanks to its dye sub technology, and it works with Canon's notably easy-to-use print and editing app. But the QX20 signature feature is versatility. It can print rectangular business card size photos in addition to Instagram-style square ones. A key issue for choosing any snapshot photo printer is that it has to be able to print in the size and format you want. Most models will pass that test for photos the size of business cards, but the QX20 is one of the few that will pass it for square photos as well. If you need the QX20's two print sizes, it's pretty much the only pick. Number 5. Epson LabelWorks LW PX900 PCD Deluxe Kit. There are heavier-duty label printers than the LW PX900, but they aren't handheld portables. The printer is available by itself with an AC adapter, but we'd recommend the LW PX900 PCD Deluxe Kit, which adds a rechargeable battery, a hard-shell carrying case, and 2 industrial magnets that let the printer stick to any handy ferromagnetic surface. Either choice comes with a lifetime guarantee. Whatever type of industrial labeling you need, odds are that the LW PX900 has a tape for it, with roughly 150 choices in widths from 4mm to 36mm, 0.16 inch to 1.42 inches, and more than a dozen different types of tapes, most of which come in an assortment of colors as well as widths. For standalone printing, the LW PX900 offers a QWERTY keyboard and onboard options that, among other features, let you add barcodes or any of 859 symbols to your labels as well as store up to 100 label definitions. It can also print from a Windows PC using Epson's Label Editor program, which is one of the most capable label programs we've seen. Nearly any business that needs to print a lot of labels on a regular basis, particularly while on site at a job, should find the LW PX900 worth considering, assuming it prints the type of labels you need, starting with the right width. If you need wider labels than it can print, you'll need to look elsewhere, and if you can get by without its widest labels, you might save a bit with another choice. But if the 1.42-inch width is the right size, or you need to label lots of cables, say in a data center, the LW PX900 PCD Deluxe Kit is likely the printer you want.